Hey everybody, I am super excited because today we are launching the 6th Curiosities subscription bead box from John Bead, and it's called Glamour Goddess. It is filled with the most beautiful beads and you are going to love it. Now, I've been to Toronto a couple of times to help pick beads for the bead boxes, and I'm telling you, John Bead has been buying beads for 70 years. So this box is not only filled with gorgeous beads, it is filled with John Bead's legacy and their history. Their goal is to be the #1 bead subscription box on the market, and if you have seen the last 5 boxes we've done, there is no argument. There is no other bead box on the market that gives you as many beautiful, unique beads as John Bead does in the Curiosities subscription bead box. Are you ready to jump into Glamour Goddess? Let's take a look. Here's the Glamour Goddess postcard with a story to inspire your creations. I love these stories. I'm just diving in right here, and this is the first bag. It has huge cut crystals, a 15mm glass pearl, and 35mm check glass horse eye shaped beads. Here's a box with 2 very special lampwork beads and fire polished squares and cut crystals. This huge bag has more jet black cut crystals, clear crystals, coin-shaped table cut beads with browns and golds. I love them. If you're going to a fun party, consider embellishing this perfect little masquerade mask. I love the check press table cut black hearts, the beautiful foil seed beads, the extra large rondelles, and the faceted teardrops in honey gold. This is a huge amount of golden yellow niblets with amber fire polish rounds and small check crystals. 2 beautiful tubes of seed bead mixes, the first with a ton of gold rounds that can be used as spacers, and matte black glass beads and glass donuts. This mix has extra long black bugles, white bugles, smoke, mocha, and cobalt seed beads. Here are some smoky gray bicone beads with a unique glass houndstooth bead in blacks and browns and amber seed beads. Metallic tassels, pearl clip-on earrings, which I'm going to use for a runway piece, and I'll share it at the end of this video. Also glass rhinestone trim. Here is the perfect trio of check bicone crystals with metallic gold fire polished glass beads. Some 10-loop beading rings so that you can start making a blingy ring immediately. I love that John Bead always includes findings so that you can start making jewelry right away. Here are some beautiful warm pearl teardrop posts and tiny loose droplet rhinestones. Some beading needles and silk thread, and finally the collectible button with an image of our Glamour Goddess. Wow, this box takes my breath away. I'm going to leave a link for this subscription box in the description below. There are only so many, and they are absolutely fantastic.